Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see how we create a drill through action in Power BI. We already have seen drill through in Power BI in the part of 21. So that this tutorial is basically an advanced version of that part 21. So before proceeding with this tutorial, I recommend you please go through part 21 of this tutorial series. So it will be very easy to understand like how we create drill through action in Power BI. So that is the only agenda, like we will see how we create like advanced version of a drill through action in the Power BI. So let's go to the Power BI desktop application. So in this application what I have done, I have taken a one table, and the table is for product and the profit, and another page I have created here, and this is also showing profit and the product. This is the chart basically I have taken, and the page one I have created, and here I have taken the country and the profit, a table I have taken. So what drill through says, like when I want to filter the data based on the some product, like based on the sub product I want to filter the data on the different page, then we use the drill through. So how we utilize it, like suppose for particular product I want to show the data on this page 2, then we have to use the drill through here. So we'll see like how we utilize that drill through here. So basically in this visualization you can see drill through here at the down. So here we have to like drag and drop the product, and why have to taken the product only here, because in the like main page, means in the page 3 we are going to take we have shown the data here product. So drill through says like whatever the filter you want, like in this page we want to filter based on the product. That's why the drill through that drill through field should be the same. So here I will drag and drop that product field here, and once I will drag and drop that field, what I will do in the page 3, I will right click, and we can see there is a one field. Like suppose if I don't if I remove this field from here, like if I have removed drill through field, when I go in page 3 and right click, we are not seeing that field here now. So these all the basic things we have seen in the part 21 of this tutorial series. So let's take the product here, and now in the page 3 when I click, it will show the drill through, and it is saying for the page 2. When I will go to page 2, like suppose I am going to click for VTT. So right click on this and drill through, and when I go, it will show the data, the bar only for VTT. We can see it is showing the profit only for VTT. So that kind of like a scenario, or for drill through we utilize, and those kind of scenario. But here what we are looking like, so like but here the problem is like user have to right click and then have to go to that particular page, like that filter the data. So like sometime user doesn't know about this one, like right click and like going to that particular page. So what we can do, we can use the advanced version of that drill through. So for that what we have to do, just right click on like go to this insert, and that in insert we will see like blank. So in this blank, let it take it here, and here what I will do, inside this I will click on like here on the button text. Like before what I was doing, we were taking one text box inside this, and then we were making, we can write the text box like text inside this as well. So here like text button we can see like view product chart, product chart. So once I will write it, and we can see like it is showing this one. So once I click outside, like now currently it is not attached to any drill through. So what we can do, just click on this, and like here we are looking to the action. When I on this action, expand this one, and here I can put the type as a drill through, and for that we have to give the drill through, because we have already created for page 2. So just select this page 2. Now see, we can see here currently it is disabled, like we are not able to navigate to any page. it is disabled because we didn't select any product here. Once I will select any product, we will see it will be enabled. So if I click, we can see it got enabled, and when I control and click, we can navigate to that particular page and we are looking the respective information. And here is the back button. So we went to this back page and we can see. Now similar to in the page one, what I will do, we are showing the data for country and profit, and here again we have to take the product into the drill through like in the field. Now let's go to that page one, sorry, this page 3, and when I go to that page 3, here I will take another blank button. So let's, here I will see, I will write like just enable this text, and here I will write like see product info based on country. So like for that purpose this is created. Now for this one, just enable the action, and when you will enable the action, here you have to select the drill through, and in this drill through we have to select the page 1, because in this page 1 we have given the country related details. So once I'll select on anything, like see we can go through using this drill through, right click, and this is also working fine, but this is an advanced version. Like if I select anything and the particular page, if I will click, it will go to that, control click, it will go to that particular page and we can show the respective data. So in this way this drill through action works in the Power BI. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.